Welcome to another edition of IMO Sports with Pedro Justice. Well, according to the boxing scene, Fury versus Wilder versus Fury 3 will be held at the T-Mobile Arena. Tyson Fury won, so it's going to be Fury versus Wilder. The Nevada Athletic State Commission has approved this. It says Top Rank and TGB Promotions have placed a venue hold on the T-Mobile Arena in Las Vegas. And the reason that it's not going to be at the Allegiant Stadium as originally planned is because of Bob Bennett of the Nevada Athletic State Commission. He did not want it there, so it's going to be at the T-Mobile Arena. No big deal. Malik Scott, he says that he has some things planned for Tyson Fury that he needs to look out. Tuesday coming up, they will have their first press conference in Los Angeles, and that's when they'll tell you about the plans in detail. So this will be the first time Tyson Fury and Deontay Wilder are in the same venue since their fight last year. Now, of course, we know Tyson Fury got his hand raised at the end because Mark Breland threw in the towel after the 7th round. Man, we have until July the 24th for the truth to really come out about that fight. I'm excited about that. It is what it is. Right now, we have a draw, Tyson Fury getting a win, and now we have the third fight. As we see here in this footage, Deontay Wilder is training for this. He looks sharp, he looks ready, he looks hungry. Malik Scott is promising that Tyson Fury is in trouble. Do you think that in this amount of time, Deontay Wilder can put things together and come in the fight and destroy Tyson Fury? Because if you look at all the Tyson Fury fans, they are having a field day with this. A lot of them are upset because Deontay Wilder seems to be unbothered by their comments and criticism, and he looks more confident than ever. So I just wanted to let you guys know that Deontay Wilder, Tyson Fury, Tuesday coming up, first press conference. Are you excited about this fight? They have a heavyweight card. It looks like it's going to be a heavyweight card. We can talk about that in other videos. Let me know what you think about this. Until next time, it's Pedro Justice.